After 30 years of tax research and product development, PTP OneClick has developed a proprietary tax software product line of PAVLOU SalesTaxPRO that is perfectly suitable for CPAs and tax professionals to help them accomplish more in less time. Imagine being able to prepare and file state and local sales tax returns and pay the resultant taxes in just a few minutes. It's never been that easy. PAVLOU SalesTaxPRO is truly powered by smart tax technology, driven by the CPA logic and intelligence that is built in every level of the system. As a result, the system automatically saves you time. The first time you use the program, you'll need to set up your clients. Within a few seconds, you can set up your client's profile data, make the selections of electronic filing and payment options, and enter their location of operations. Then, you click Finish to save everything. To begin preparing the state and local sales tax returns for your client, select Prepare Returns from the Tax Returns Action menu. The system will then prompt you to select the filing frequency and the liability period that you wish to prepare the returns for. By using the drop-down keys, you can make the appropriate selection for the year and month. Then, click Next. Our user-friendly tax wizard displays the receipts category on the top left box of the tax wizard. These categories cover the data entry for every possible business scenario. The bottom left box shows the location of operations that you created for your client. First, select the location of operation that you wish to enter the gross receipts data. Then you select the appropriate receipts category and enter the numeric values in the respective types. Although the line-by-line items are self-explanatory, the program offers line-by-line help by providing the entry examples for each line item. Hover the mouse over the line text to activate the help menu for a particular line item. Remember, after entering the numeric data values in a particular field, you must use the Tab key to advance to the next field. So after entering the gross sales receipts data for your client's first location of operation, then you must select the next location, if they have more than one location. Once you are done with all of the locations, then click Next. The tax wizard will advance you to Purchases. Here you can enter the alcoholic purchases and in and out of state purchases, if any. If not, simply click Next and the tax wizard will advance you to Deductions. As of this point, the smart rate and location recognition technology utilized by the system enabled the tax wizard to automatically recognize the locations of operations, the types of revenues collected by each location, and the sales and use tax rate for each type of revenue under each location, and business rules for all taxing authorities. That means the system has already calculated the deductions and exemptions on your client's tax returns for both state and local. For a preview of these deductions, click on Special Deductions. You do not have to make any entries unless your client historically has deductions. For example, farm machinery, high-impact business, enterprise zone, etc. In which case, enter the values of the respective fields. However, you do not have to worry about the rest of the deductions and exemptions. The system will automatically generate optimized tax returns. On the bottom left of the tax wizard, select the form for which you desire to enter the respective credit, overpayment from a prior period, or a prepayment of taxes, etc. Click the Add PST2 button to enter the prepaid sales tax which was paid by the distributors to the state on your behalf. First, select the location. Click on the drop-down key to open the selection menu for the reseller's business name and IBT number, or you can just start creating a brand new one. Use the information from the form PST2 that you received from the reseller, selling you gasoline, to enter the numbers of gallons purchased for each gasoline brand, and the respective sales tax prepaid to Illinois for each brand. Then click Save to save your entries, and click Return to Tax to bring you back to the tax wizard, Credits and Prepayments. From the data entered in the system, it detected that there are Chicago sales tax due, but these types of taxes fall in the different liability period, annual. Therefore, the system triggered Form 7525, an annual Chicago restaurant tax form, Form 7577, an annual motor fuel tax form, Form 7590, an annual fountain drink tax form. Every month, you prepare monthly sales tax returns. The system will continue to populate the data of each month for each annual tax return too. For each month that is processed, the system will provide you with a tax amount that is due to the City of Chicago monthly. You will need to enter here the amount of tax and date of payment. The system will keep track of all activity and it will prepare and print the annual tax returns for the City of Chicago, with the sales tax returns generated for the month of June. Then all you have to do is make sure that you and the client sign the returns and mail them to the City of Chicago. Here, you must select the desired action to perform while the tax returns are being generated. Then, click Finish. By utilizing its smart form technology, the system automatically prepares all applicable tax returns for each taxing authority. At this point, you may print or view the generated tax returns. Double-click on any selected tax return to view the completed and ready to file tax return. Here you can see the ST1, Page 1, Page 2 showing a Schedule A, all deductions and exemptions automatically generated by the system. Next, you can see the ST2 multiple site form generated. The CMFT1 reporting the activity of the Naperville location conducting its gasoline operations in DuPage County. The ST14 for Chicago soft drink tax that is owed from the operations of the Chicago location. The Naperville motor fuel tax return for the motor fuel taxes owed to the City of Naperville. Select e-file tax returns. This will enable the system to e-file the state-generated sales tax returns for your client. The system will prompt you to e-file wizard select clients. Here, you may select to e-file a single or multiple clients. Once the selection is made, you click Next. The system will provide you with an accounting of the fees due for the e-filing of the tax returns. Click Next. Here, you will make the payments of fees using the credit card or selecting a card from the previous payment made. Your credit card information can be securely saved for future payments. By clicking on the Submit button, you will e-file your client's tax returns and the resulted taxes will be paid from the account designated previously during the business setup. Select e-file status of tax returns to receive filing and payment status of submitted tax returns. Lastly, you'll need to click on the Server Sync button to retrieve the data from the e-filing server. The smart e-filing technology of the system will display the status of the submitted tax returns by company. Select the company line to receive the detailed activity reports about your client's submitted returns. You will have the option to view the status history or payment receipt.